In today's digital age, the sanctity of our private conversations is increasingly at risk. WhatsApp has become a primary mode for personal and professional communication, heightening concerns about potential monitoring. What if someone is eavesdropping on cherished conversations or sensitive discussions? Understanding the significance of privacy in digital communication is crucial for every WhatsApp user. This video, crafted as an educational guide, addresses these fears with clarity and professionalism. We will navigate signs that indicate monitoring and arm you with knowledge to safeguard your privacy effectively. Our goal is to turn your cautious curiosity into confident control, securing your conversations from prying eyes. This is only the beginning of our journey into digital security, where we explore not just causes and effects, but tangible solutions. Stay tuned as we uncover layers of WhatsApp monitoring, reclaiming your privacy one step at a time. Let's proceed to discover how monitoring occurs and recognize the signs, ensuring your digital interactions remain as private as intended. In a world where digital communication is second nature, understanding the security of our conversations is essential. This segment illuminates how WhatsApp monitoring occurs, unraveling the shadows that cloak potential security breaches. Hackers often leverage spyware, potent yet invisible tools, to infiltrate devices and gain unauthorized access. By exploiting vulnerabilities with ease, they mimic legitimate software or intercept messages through unsecured networks. It's crucial to grasp these methods for better protection of our digital lives. The realization of such monitoring evokes natural concern. However, knowledge is the first line of defense. By comprehending these methods, we embark on a journey to secure our messages and safeguard our privacy. Remember, being informed is key to staying protected in this interconnected world. As we progress, keep these insights in mind. Up next, we'll delve into recognizing signs indicating your WhatsApp might be under observation, ensuring you're one step ahead in protecting your digital communication. As we navigate this informative journey, it's time to focus on identifying signs that might indicate your WhatsApp is being monitored. Be alert to unexpected spikes in data usage or battery drain, which could signal unauthorized activities running in the background. If messages are marked as read without your opening them, it might be a red flag. Constant logouts or mysterious device logins can further point to a breach. Notice unusual app behavior, like sporadic crashes or lags, indicating something might be amiss. Your WhatsApp safety isn't just about privacy, it's about ensuring peace of mind. Spot these warning signs and take control of your digital space. Vigilance is your first line of defense. Now, let's delve deeper into understanding how these breaches impact your personal privacy and what proactive measures you can take in the next segment. In an age where personal data holds immense value, the monitoring of WhatsApp can have profound implications. Imagine every private conversation and shared picture unknowingly exposed. This intrusion doesn't just compromise your digital footprint. It potentially paves the way for severe data breaches, where sensitive information may fall into the wrong hands. As we delve into these privacy concerns, it becomes evident that the risk is not just theoretical. Hackers and unauthorized entities constantly seek vulnerabilities, ready to exploit any weakness. This segment sheds light on the reality of these risks, urging you to consider the impact monitoring can have on your personal privacy. Now, with this understanding, it is crucial to move toward practical solutions. In the following segment, we'll explore proactive measures you can implement to safeguard your WhatsApp, from prying eyes, ensuring your conversations remain private and secure. In today's digital landscape, securing your WhatsApp privacy is essential. Here's how to protect your conversations. First, ensure your app is up to date, as updates include crucial security patches that shield your data. Next, explore the privacy settings in WhatsApp under Settings, Account, and Privacy. Manage who sees your last seen, profile photo, and status to safeguard your footprint. Monitor which devices are linked to your WhatsApp by checking WhatsApp Web to ensure only trusted devices have access. Be cautious about the information you share and turn on end-to-end encryption, ensuring messages remain private. By implementing these measures, you not only protect your privacy, but also cultivate a secure digital environment. Up next, we'll explore two-factor authentication for added security, enhancing your account's overall protection. In the digital realm, the threat to our privacy is ever present, especially on apps like WhatsApp. As we delve into safeguarding our virtual interactions, one powerful shield emerges: two-factor authentication. This added layer of protection is designed to fortify your account against potential prying eyes. By enabling this feature, you ensure that not just anyone can access your personal conversations and data, even if they possess your password. To activate this robust security measure on WhatsApp, navigate to your account settings. Click on the two-step verification option and create a 6-digit passcode, which will be your unique key, to enhance protection. Additionally, it's wise to link an email address, safeguarding you from being locked out if you forget your code. Due to increasing digital surveillance, taking control of your account's security has never been more crucial. By adopting two-factor authentication, you're not just protecting your conversations, but your peace of mind. With each step you take towards greater security, you're redefining your digital boundaries. Next, we'll explore another vital measure in maintaining your WhatsApp safety: the importance of keeping your app updated. Stay tuned for more shielding strategies against unwanted intrusions. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital communication, safeguarding your privacy is paramount. One effective way to enhance your security is by regularly updating your WhatsApp application. App updates do more than offer new features. They are your frontline defense against cyber threats. Each update is meticulously crafted to patch vulnerabilities, fortifying your app against unwelcome intrusions. Keeping up to date shields your personal messages and sensitive information from exploitation, akin to digital armor custom-fitted for emerging threats. Furthermore, updates ensure you are utilizing the best possible version of the app, benefiting from improved functionality and enhanced security. As you navigate this digital age, let updates be your reliable safeguard, always proactive and never an afterthought. Up next, we'll explore caution with links and attachments to maintain privacy. Stay with us to continue unraveling the tapestry of safeguarding your digital interactions. In this segment, we delve into the hazardous realm of unknown links and attachments. Receiving a message from a seemingly trustworthy source prompting you to click an unexpected link or open an attachment can open Pandora's box of threats. Cybercriminals cloak malware within these links or files, infiltrating your WhatsApp unnoticed. To protect yourself, adopt a vigilant approach. Scrutinize every message. Does it originate from someone you know? Is the content relevant to recent conversations? Look for telltale signs like unusual grammar or unexpected file formats. If any doubt arises, refrain from clicking or downloading. It's essential to train yourself to question every link and attachment, regardless of how innocuous they may appear. Remember, your caution is your first line of defense against phishing and malware. As we navigate this landscape, stay alert to safeguard your communication. In the upcoming segment, we'll explore conducting regular privacy checkups, empowering you with knowledge to protect your privacy. Ensuring your privacy on WhatsApp requires ongoing vigilance. Conducting regular privacy checkups is an essential habit. By proactively reviewing app permissions, you remain informed of unnecessary access your apps might have. This vigilant approach is not just about tweaking settings once, but establishing a routine audit to keep your privacy defenses high. Moreover, regular checkups ensure your settings remain current with new updates or privacy policy changes. Think of these checkups as locking your doors at night. They offer peace of mind, protecting personal data from potential threats. Keep in mind, your digital security is an ongoing commitment. By prioritizing regular checkups, you're not just protecting your privacy today, but building resilience against future risks. As we continue our journey to protect our digital spaces, remember that these small steps can make a significant difference. Let's proceed to explore more strategies for maintaining your WhatsApp security. As we conclude our journey into digital security, it's essential to reflect on our findings. We've explored the subtle signs of WhatsApp monitoring and understood how privacy can be compromised. The impact on personal privacy is profound, potentially exposing sensitive information to malicious entities. Yet, we've also discovered the power in taking control. from enabling two-factor authentication to regularly updating apps. Exercising caution with links, each step fortifies our digital fortresses. In a rapidly evolving digital world, protecting online privacy isn't just a precaution, it's essential. Think of your digital space like your home. Securing it should be second nature. In conclusion, safeguarding your privacy on WhatsApp is crucial for peace of mind. In today's connected era, staying informed and vigilant is half the battle won. As you navigate the digital realm, prioritize security. Stay secure, stay private. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey. Empower yourself with knowledge and make digital security a priority.